Let's talk about Ravenhead 30 by 16 cm Kilner stainless steel jam pan. Eight-liter capacity pan with an internal liter and pint measuring gauge. Durable stainless steel pan featuring an easy carry handle, support handle and integral pouring lip. Suitable for gas, halogen, ceramic, and electric hobs and also oven safe, not for use on induction hobs. Dishwasher safe. Gift box featuring 2 recipes. Really poor quality item, have not used it yet but washed it in anticipation only to find the item has gone rusty. It has rust on the inside and outside of the neck, which I wouldn't have thought would be happening on an item that clearly will be used to strain liquids. Very disappointed in the quality of this in comparison to another Kilner jam funnel I have owned for 10 years and never had this issue. Bought as an addition to a similar filter funnel of another brand purchased some time ago. This has a coarser, 2 mm grating, within the removable filter, whereas the other has a system of many much smaller holes which are more easily clogged. This will allow the coarser particles to be filtered on a first pass, allow the finer ones through to be removed by a second pass through the finer grating of the other funnel, and hopefully reduce the likelihood of clogging. Although the filter is removable, it has a tightly sprung hold on the spout, but the small knob on its upper surface has no texturing to provide a grip. It can be quite tight when new but will hopefully slacken with repeated use. It can be rinsed clean quite easily in warm, running water, but a small bottle brush may be useful to clear any residues clinging to the spout. It has been used for some tacks, but with the filter removed, simply to aid transfer between containers rather. This little composter bin is excellent. There are only 2 of us using it, and we take 2-ish days to fill it, so pos not good for a bigger family. I found that the best bags for this are biodegradable dog poo bags. They fit perfectly and can be found very cheaply. I got 60 for 39p in Home Bargains, but unfortunately I think they are now out of stock. Also, using a black bag makes the composter look like a retro metal rubbish bin. I think this is great. Others may not agree with my taste, although I suppose you could dress it up as dusty bin if you liked. My composter has absolutely no trouble with the lid sticking, a complaint from other people's reviews. What more can I say? I love it.